Wait, what if I told you there are gadgets out there so insanely clever, engineers are getting angry they didn't think of them first? That feeling when technology just blows your mind? That's exactly what we live for here. Welcome back to the channel, your home for the most viral, jaw-dropping gadgets on the planet. Today, we've got something that's gonna make you laugh, gasp, and immediately open your wallet. And hey, everything you see in this video, the links are sitting right there in the description below. One click, straight to the product. No hunting, no hassle, just pure convenience, just for you. Most people don't realize they've been losing sleep every summer, not to stress, but to trapped heat. Fans just shuffle warm air around. Window units need permanent installation. Central AC bills hit like a punch to the wallet. This portable air conditioner quietly ends that cycle. No drilling, no landlord negotiations, just plug it in, aim the vent, and feel the room shift within minutes. That first breath of cool air after a brutal day, that's not luxury, that's relief you actually earned. Perfect for renters, students, and home office workers drowning in afternoon heat. Honest downside, the exhaust hose needs a window, and it works best under 350 square feet, not a whole house solution. Compared to evaporative coolers, this wins in humid climates because it removes moisture while cooling. That's a real difference. One small machine, one corner of your room, one decision that makes every hot night feel forgivable. Link is in the description. Go grab yours. Somewhere between a rushed morning and a skipped breakfast, millions of people silently gave up on cooking, and nobody talks about that. Stovetop pancakes sound simple, until batter spreads unevenly, the pan scorches one side, and you're already late. The Dash Round Express electric pancake maker removes every single one of those friction points. Dual non-stick cooking surfaces press and cook both sides simultaneously. Perfectly round, evenly golden, done in under 4 minutes. No flipping, no watching, no mess spiraling across your counter. This belongs in kitchens of busy parents, college students, and anyone who genuinely wants warm breakfast without the chaos. Honest downside, it's compact, so large batch cooking takes multiple rounds. Compared to a traditional griddle, this wins on speed, consistency, and cleanup time every single morning. No preheating drama, no uneven browning, just reliable results that make breakfast feel effortless again. Some mornings, the smallest tool quietly saves the whole day before it even begins. A single fly circling your dinner table carries more bacteria than most people are comfortable knowing, and a rolled-up newspaper solves absolutely nothing. You swat, it dodges. You chase, it laughs. Meanwhile, your food gets cold and your patience gets thinner. The Nimrix electric fly swatter racket ends that humiliating cycle instantly. One swing, one zap, done. The high-voltage mesh grid eliminates mosquitoes, flies, and gnats on contact. No chemicals, no sprays, no lingering toxic smell floating through your living space. Built-in LED light attracts insects directly toward the racket at night. That's not just clever, that's genuinely satisfying. Perfect for homeowners, campers, outdoor diners, and parents protecting kids from mosquito bites without spraying chemicals near them. Honest downside, requires regular charging and needs careful storage away from children. Versus chemical bug sprays, this wins on safety, reusability, and zero recurring costs. Some battles in your home are small, but winning them completely changes how peaceful your evenings. Pre-ground coffee loses nearly 60% of its flavor within 15 minutes of grinding, yet most people pour that stale powder into their cup every single morning without realizing it. Whole beans sitting unground, spices losing potency inside dusty jars. Your kitchen deserves sharper flavors than that. The Secura electric coffee grinder and spice grinder fixes both problems inside one compact, powerful machine. Stainless steel blades pulverize coffee beans, spices, herbs, and grains within seconds. Consistent grind, zero manual effort, pure aroma released fresh every single time.
This belongs with home brewers, spice enthusiasts, meal preppers, and anyone tired of flat-tasting food and disappointing morning cups. Honest downside? Blade grinders produce slightly uneven particle sizes compared to burr grinders for espresso precision. Versus a manual spice grinder, this saves real time and delivers noticeably more uniform results daily. Flavor was never missing from your kitchen. It was just waiting for the right machine to wake it up.
And that's exactly why your kitchen upgrades should work harder than you do. If the Secura electric coffee and spice grinder felt like your kind of tool, trust that instinct. Fresh coffee, freshly ground spices, one machine handling both without taking counter space hostage. The link is sitting right there in the description. One tap and it's yours. If this review saved you from a regrettable purchase or pointed you towards something genuinely useful, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach people who need honest reviews, not sponsored fluff. Subscribe if you want gadgets that actually earn their place in your home. We test, we judge, and we tell you the truth every single time. Drop a comment below. What kitchen gadget should we review next? Until next time, buy less, buy better, and make every corner of your home work for you.